Assalamu alaikum class 2. I'm your English teacher from Allied School. Today I'm going to start your second lecture. Open your book at page number 4. Unit 1, lesson 3, reading Uncle Umar's Crocodiles. The story is about Uncle Umar's crocodiles. First of all, you will read the story, then you will solve this exercise. In the picture 1, Uncle Umar says to his crocodiles, "Come on my sweeties, come and have your food." In picture 2, Auntie Frida says to Uncle Umar, "I don't like your crocodiles. I'm afraid they will eat my feet." And then Uncle Umar says, "Nonsense dear, they are very friendly." In picture 3, "Why do you have those crocodiles, Umar? They smell bad." Grandpa says to Uncle Umar, "Why he is having these smelly crocodiles? They frighten away the monkeys. Father, they frighten away my friends too." Uncle Umar says the crocodiles frighten away the monkeys, but at that moment Grandpa says they frighten away my friends too. In picture 4, Grandma says to Uncle Umar, "Umar, I'm afraid your crocodiles will eat my cat." Uncle Umar replies, "No ma, crocodiles like cats." Then Grandma says, "Yes, for dinner." In the picture 5 on page number 5, Grandpa says to Uncle Umar, "You can't keep your crocodiles in the garden, you must take them away, we don't like them." Uncle Umar says they are really very nice. In picture 6, Grandpa says to Auntie Frida, "Can you hear something?" "Help, I don't know, where is a television?" Picture 7, a burglar has got a television and a crocodile has got the burglar. In picture 8, "Good to have a television, isn't it?" "Haha, alright, then you can keep your crocodiles." Now on page number 4, exercise A, you have to match these sentences. Uncle Umar, crocodiles are very nice. Auntie Frida says the crocodile will eat my feet. Burglar, help. Grandpa, crocodiles smell bad. Grandma, crocodiles will eat my cat. You have to fill this exercise. Students, now on page number 5, exercise B, answer the questions with short answers. Example is, does Uncle Umar like crocodiles? Yes, he does. You have to give the short answers. First one question is, does Auntie Frida like crocodiles? No, she doesn't. Do Grandma and Grandpa like crocodiles? No, they don't. Does a burglar take the television? Yes. Question 4, do Uncle Umar and Auntie Frida catch the burglar? No, they don't. Does the crocodile catch the burglar? Yes. Does Uncle Umar keep the crocodiles? Yes. Do you like crocodiles? No, I don't. In exercise C, look at the pictures and complete the sentences using these words: night, morning, evening and afternoon. Look at these pictures. In picture 1, it is morning. In picture 2, it is noon. In picture 3, it is afternoon. And in picture 4, it is evening. Now unit 1, lesson 4 at page number 6, use my, your, this, her, their or are to fill the blanks. Example is, Uncle Umar, I love my crocodiles, they are nice. Auntie Frida, well, I don't like your crocodiles, please take them away. Uncle Umar, why? Auntie Frida, Grandma is afraid they will eat her cat. Uncle Umar, nonsense. Auntie Frida, Grandpa thinks they will frighten away his friends. Uncle Umar, the crocodiles stay in their pond. You will write here there, THEIR, there. Auntie Frida, we don't like crocodiles in our garden. Uncle Umar, it's my garden too. Now in exercise B, look at the table about the Tom's family. For example, this is singing, drawing, riding and bicycle. Tom likes drawing, riding a bicycle and reading, but he doesn't like the singing. Tom's mother likes singing, drawing and reading, but she doesn't like riding a bicycle. Tom's father likes singing, riding a bicycle and reading, but he doesn't like drawing. Tom's sister likes singing, drawing, riding a bicycle, but she doesn't like reading. Grade 2, now open your English grammar at page number 9, unit 2, adjectives. In adjectives, you will learn about the words that tell us something more about a person, place, or a thing. First of all, I am going to tell you the definition of adjectives. Adjectives describe the quality or disquality of a noun. Grey cat. Grey is the adjective of the cat. Cat is a noun, while grey is the adjective. It's a quality of the cat. Tall man. Man is a noun. Tall is the adjective. Tall is a quality of this man. 5 lines. Number words are also adjectives. Lines is noun and 5 is the adjective. Copy the following sentences by adding an adjective from the list given below. Green, long, fat and tinny. Green, grass. Fat, cat. Long, snake and tinny, rat. Now on page number 10, underline the adjectives in the following passage. One Sunday, Jack and Tom decided to go for a picnic in the nearby hills. Nearby is the adjective of the hills because hills are located nearby. Hills is noun. Nearby is the quality of the hills. Nearby is the adjective. It was a pleasant day. Day is the noun and adjective. After packing some food and drinks in a bag, they set out their journey. They took a narrow path. Path is a noun and narrow is a quality of this path, which took them a steep hill. Hill is a noun, steep is the adjective. The slopes were covered with the dense trees. Trees, noun, dense, adjective, on both sides of the path. Look at the pictures below. Complete the sentences using an adjective from the list below. Write the sentences in your notebook. These are the words shop, red, young, yellow and bad. The dash lady is waiting for a bus. The young lady, she is wearing a dash hat, red hat. There is a shop across the road. The bad man is the shopkeeper. There is a yellow cat sitting on the roof of the shop. Now on page number 11, complete the sentences below by ticking the correct word from the options. She was feeling hot, thirsty, so she bought a cold drink for herself. When she bought a cold drink, then she was feeling thirsty. Amanda loves playing on the sandy or heavy beach. Beach is always sandy, so circle here sandy. Mary's doll has slim or curly hair. Hair are curly. Mercy hates to see a messy or neat room where everything is in disorder. When everything is in disorder, then it means it's messy, it's not neat. Students, this one exercise is your homework, so complete it by yourself.